Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Agix chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see I have this Elliot wave structure in red, where we have now picked in the formation of that first wave. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which is the area highlighted here in red, and having bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. We are also facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.45 mark, which is the area right here. And you can see in the formation of this first wave, we tried to break through that key area of resistance with no success. And today we have also tried to break through that key area of resistance with no success. And I'm expecting the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, we get a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after seeing the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2 within this blue target area, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And here on the charts you can now see that we have topped in the formation of that first wave, also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and I now believe that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, and this is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios here on the Agix chart, where you can now see that we have picked in that first wave to the upper side and also seen the wave 2 to the lower side. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side, and sketching out a target area in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.51128 mark. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And as long as we are holding above the 20-day MA, which is now acting as support, there are high chances that we are going to manage to break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.45 mark, get a successful retest before we continue gearing up to fully maximize our target areas. But at the time of this recording, you can see that we have managed to get rejected by that key area of resistance, and there are high chances that before we continue gearing up, we are going to continue seeing a bit of a pullback, in that is after getting rejected by that key area of resistance, and at some point we are going to find support and get back into the uptrend, get through that key area of resistance, get a successful retest before we can fully maximize our target area at around the $0.51 mark. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios on the Agix chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 64 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, you have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.